little sexy, little cool.
Hey MB crew, Mona B here, and I am back with another video. I'm back with another video, and today we are doing another try on video. You already know I had to bring y'all another one. Y'all really enjoyed my last try on video, so if you have not seen it, it will be linked in the description box below from Africanmall. But before we get into this video, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I drop a new video on my channel. And also make sure you're following me on my social media, that is Twitter and Instagram at Mona X Banks. And make sure you're really following me on Instagram because y'all will be seeing me slay these looks on the gram, okay? But you guys really enjoyed my last haul from Africanmall. Like, let me go ahead and bring y'all another one today. So that is definitely what we're gonna do. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. And yeah, so make sure y'all check out Africanmall and let's get it. Okay, so these are the first bottoms that I would, well, this is the first item that I will be trying on. These are some red track pants. They have the black stripe detailing, the black you know, tie to cinch it in or whatever, and it has elastic band around the waist and elastic band at the bottom. Now these are like track pants. They do have pockets, but these are like the old school 90s with that makes the swishy noise. Y'all hear it? But it's not exactly like a windbreaker fabric, but it kind of is. It's a little bit thicker. So I really like that. These do come high-waisted. I don't know if they're meant to be worn high-waisted because I'm definitely going to wear mine high-waisted, but I just really like how they look. I normally don't go for red, so I was like, let me just go ahead and try something different. They do come down to the ankles. If you want to wear them more like this type of style, you can wear them to the ankles. But for me, I like to hike up my bottoms like this. I just think this makes it look more chic. And this would be actually cute with a sports bra of some sort like this. But yeah, I got these in a size small. As you guys can see, they are fitting my body. And these are really, really back in style right now. So you guys probably will be seeing these on like every fashion website, because these are definitely like back in style and they do look popping. I'm making my booty look nice. I mean, we all want our booty to look nice, right? This is our next pair of bottoms that we'll be trying out. They're kind of like the same style as the last ones. They're just black and they have like two white stripes and one thick stripe, and there's like an army fatigue print, but it is in like the gray scale type of feel, like black and white and gray or whatever. These do have pockets. It doesn't have the drawstring at the top, but it does have the elastic band at the top and at the bottom as well. As you guys can see, I scrunched them up like I did the last ones. The fit on these are a little bit more tighter. These ones fit a little bit more tighter and they're not as high, but you definitely can still wear them high-waisted. And these ones are actually not as thick. Now the quality of both of them are still really good, and the quality of these are really good. They're just not as thick. So yes, I really like them. They're super comfy. Like I said, it would look cute with a, you know, a sports bra like I have on today. But yes, I'm really, really liking these. I was so excited about these because, like I said, these are on trend, and I did get these in a size small as well. So I'm pretty petite or whatever. You know, I'm trying to get my stomach area on flat, but I am petite. So yeah. So these clothes are fitting me pretty well. So far so good, but I was really excited about these and I definitely cannot wait to dress these up. I know y'all like, girl, all you got this time was bottoms, but yeah, I definitely wanted to try a lot of their bottoms. So here we have like a jogger type of pants. It's more like of a satiny, like nylon fabric or whatever, and as you guys can see, they're yellow, black and white with white, you know, stripe on the side. Now these fit high-waisted on me because, like I said, I'm petite and I'm short. I'm not sure how these will fit on someone that's taller. They may not be high-waisted, but they're definitely high-waisted on me. I'm not going to turn to the back because I don't have the proper underwear on, but the back is yellow, as you guys can see. So you would definitely need to wear a thong with this, because, or black, like a black thong with this, or black underwear, where you probably just need to wear a thong because your panty line will be definitely showing. So yeah, with these ones you have to wear, you know, a thong, because you're you don't want your underwear showing or whatever. And these ones do come with a drawstring. I feel like this drawstring is so long. Like, why is it so long? So I definitely will be cutting this down. Like, I mean, look how long this is. I mean, it's so long. So I'm definitely going to be cutting it. And I wish it would have been the same color, because this is like more like a cream. So too bad they didn't do white, or they could have just simply did black. That's like my only con about these. So I will be cutting that. These do have pockets. You guys probably have been seeing these a lot, because they have like, I know some of the websites have like these for the girls and for the boys, like to match or whatever in menswear. But anyways, so I do still really like these. I probably will actually wear this with like a bodysuit or something like that, because, you know, I'm short. So yeah, these need to be, I mean, I don't necessarily have to wear them high-waisted. Like, y'all don't be looking at my little chubby stomach. But I could pull them down. Let's see how they look when I pull them down. But 9 times out of 10, I'm going to wear them high-waisted. So if you pull them down, this is how they look pulled down. So they look cute this way as well. So you can wear them like this. Can wear them like this, which I probably will wear them like this, because I think they look cute like this as well. And then I'll probably wear them like this, like high-waisted as well. So these ones are pretty versatile. They're a little bit long. They're not too long, just a tad bit. But I think they look really cute either way. So I'm trying another pair of jeans. If you guys watched the last haul that I did from them, if not, watch it. It's in the description box. But I tried some jeans from them that were exactly like this, I believe, just a different color. And I got those in a size small, and those were too tight. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try them again. And I got these ones in a size medium. And these ones are actually too big. They seem to fit okay, but it's a little bunchy right here. I do really like the wash, but it's just a little bunchy right here. And as y'all can see, I have like the gap in the back. Now I could just go ahead and fix them or whatever, but yeah, usually high-waisted pants fit pretty decent on me, especially like in the back, so I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, these ones are a little bit too loose at the top, but they still are really cute. I like the wash. I think they're cute. They're comfortable. They're really stretchy, and these ones are not too tight. So yeah, all right. You know, we had to do a little short. Okay, so this is a Champion replica outfit. This is not real Champion, but this is the replica that they had on the website. And I don't think Champion actually sells this particular outfit, because I tried to find it and I couldn't find it. But I feel like the lettering is really close to Champion, so you can definitely get away with it. So this is like a black and white matching set, like a little. This is longer than a crop top. This is like a midi top, I think that's what you call it. And it has like the shorts. I got this in the size small. Now this is like nylon, basically. That's what this is. Nylon, rayon, or whatever you want to call it. That is what this is, this material. So it does fit nice. It's really comfy. The only thing I will say, in the short area, it's a little loose right here. But I mean, it's okay. It's showing a little peekaboo stomach, but not a whole lot. But I do really like this, so I definitely, you know, will wear it out. I don't care that it's a replica. I mean, it looks close enough to me. When I saw it on the website, I was like, oh, let me try it out. I don't actually own anything Champion, so I was like, let me just see what's going on with it. So they have it for the low low if you want to go ahead and get it. And I think it looks really cute. With my haircut, this would be cute with some tennis shoes. You can actually dress this up as well, and it is super comfy. And I know we are going into fall. I know a lot of you guys are already in fall. It's still really hot in Georgia, so I can definitely still wear it, and it's making the booty look nice. Now it doesn't have pockets, but it's still a really cute outfit. Okay, y'all, so this next one, I really don't know how this is supposed to go. I just tried to look on the picture of the mannequin or the model, and I'm so confused. So it's supposed to be like an overall situation. It looks really cute on the model. That's why I was like, I was a little skeptical about it, but I was like, I don't know, I'll give it a shot. It goes like this, and it has a zipper, but I'm not understanding how this is supposed to work. And then the straps at the front are connected to here. So listen, I'm so confused. So I think I'm supposed to somehow attach it. I don't really know. I think it goes like this some way, and maybe I'm supposed to loop it through here, through one of these. I didn't do that prior because I didn't think it was going to be this complicated. So I probably will not be wearing this one. I see where they were going with it, but this needs to be attached. Like, or I guess you could just wear it like this. Let's see, let's see. Let's see if I can connect it. Let's see if I can get it together. If I can get it together, then I might give it a chance. Because I'm confused. Let's see. Because I don't understand why. Maybe they make it like this so you can make it fit to you, but then you got all these hanging straps and it makes no sense. And I don't know where these two little black straps go in the back. Like, I'm not following. I'm not following. Okay, so, I don't know. Oh, did this go here? Ah, I figured it out. Okay, okay. So I think this is supposed to cinch this in, right? Y'all probably like, girl, get it together. But I didn't know this was going to be so... Oh. Okay, now I like it. I think she's cute. I think I could pull her off. I think I could pull her off. Okay, yes, okay, okay. Now I just need to tighten these up a little bit. But they should already put this together. Y'all see I was like so confused. They should have had this put together for me. Let me make it look fashionable. Obviously, I wouldn't wear this sports bra. Okay, okay. Okay, so she's giving a look. She's giving a look. She's giving a little crotch. I need to probably loosen her up at the top. But obviously, I will wear like a black top. Okay, she's giving. I will give her a try. I feel like I could style this and make it work. Which I think. I feel like this would be cute. It's giving me like a TLC vibe. And I don't know why it's giving me TLC vibe. But it totally is. And I was going to give up on it. I like overalls though. This is pretty cute. And then it has like a little zipper. You know, it's not a real pocket, but it's just a little zipper detailing, which is pretty cute. So, I like how it cinches in here. I think that's really creative because you can loosen it up to your liking. And I did get this in a size small, I believe. So, yeah, she's a cutie. She's a cutie. She definitely has potential, so I may work something out with her. Just excuse a little bleach stain on my biker shorts, okay? Okay. So, this is a army fatigue jacket. It's a crop jacket, which I think is so bomb. When I saw this on the website, I was like, I definitely have to get it. It says U.S. Army on this pocket, and it does have 2 pockets, which I think is really cool. I believe I got this in a size small, and it has like this detailing on the sleeves, which I think is so cute. And it is super stretchy, so I really, really, really like this. It is distressed on the bottom, so I think that looks so cute. And this is definitely going to be a pop-in item for the fall and winter because you can pair this with a lot of different things. Biker shorts, like I have one today. You can definitely pair this with jeans, a cute dress, you know. And I think it really looks really nice, like. And I just love how, I love like wide angled crops that are like wide. So I'm like, yes, when I saw this, definitely had to have it. So yeah, I definitely will see me styling this on the gram. So make sure you follow me there. But I really like it, and it is really stretchy. It is of good quality. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. It's like perfect. And it's one of these like jackets where you definitely won't overheat in. Last outfit, I will not be trying on because it's entirely too big. And it would be pointless for me to try it on because y'all wouldn't even really get the gist of it. I got it in a medium because I thought it would be like too tight if I got it in a small. And this outfit actually runs really large, obviously. So if you do order this outfit, which is really cute, I'm going to put a picture of it on the model. I would just get this in your exact size. So I should have got a small, but I got a medium. And this fits, I feel like this fits like a large. Like, these are the bottoms. It's like this army green. The material is super stretchy. It's like that nylon material. And it has 2 pockets on the sides. So as you guys can see, these are for the thick girls. But yeah, I probably should have got a small, and I probably honestly wouldn't even been able to fit a small. Probably would have been too big too. So these are just the bottoms, and then it comes with this cute top, and it just looks like this, which I will see it better on the model. So I'm definitely bummed. And it like buttons up, but it looks so cute. So yeah, it's a size medium, and it looks like it fits like a large. So if you wear a medium, get a small, and if you wear large, get a medium, and so on. So yes, that is my updated clothing haul from Africanmall. Wow, make sure you guys comment in the comment section and let me know which items were your favorite, which one you would like to see me style on my Instagram. Let me know what's up. All the links to the items that I showed will be in the description box below, so make sure you go and cop you guys some of the clothes. I liked all the items that I got. They are really cute, and I just cannot wait to wear them because y'all know I love me some fashion, sis. I love me some fashion. So make sure y'all go and check out Africanmall. They will be linked in the description box below. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.